Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing
Tung Tung Sahur.
Tung Tung Sahur. It's going to be an easy step-by-step, so come join us. All right, we are drawing...
Hi guys!
No, who are we drawing?
We're drawing Tung Sahur, not you.
Tung Sahur. Yeah, they are. That's why they're watching it. Hello.
But we're not drawing them.
We're not drawing you guys, that's true. We're drawing Tung Sahur. Towards the bottom of the paper, we're going to make one horizontal line, just like this one.
Guys, he's a stick holding a bat.
Yes. So look,
right here,
I left space on both sides and a little bit at the bottom. Then from here, from this point, we're going to go up with a straight vertical line, almost all the way to the top. So we did one vertical line like this, and then we're going to do the same thing on the left side. Okay. The only thing is we're going to stop at the same height, okay? So we did one horizontal line, two very long vertical lines, and then to close it off, what we're going to do is we're just going to make a curved line that connects to the other side. And it's just a little curve. It's not a big curve, but
bald.
Just like that. He's bald. There we have his body. Very easy. His body's super easy. Yeah. And now we could do the details of his face, his eyes, his eyebrows, his nose, his mouth. So what we're going to do is,
his toes.
His toes. We are doing his toes. So what we're going to do is, this is the middle, right? This is the middle of his body. We're going to come over more, and then we're going to do a really short vertical line on the left and on the right side.
That's a part of his eyebrow, right?
Yep, this is part of his eyebrows.
He's like,
So we left some space in the middle. Then we could draw his eyebrows, and then from here, we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow going out, but we're not gonna touch the edge. So we're just gonna leave a tiny bit of space. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then we're gonna do the top part, and the top part is gonna be the same thing. All we're gonna do is at the end, we're gonna come down and connect to the bottom.
That's nice.
And then we're gonna do the same thing on the left side. So there we have his eyebrows. Now we're gonna continue and do his nose. And for his nose, we're gonna do it connected to his eyebrows. That's why we started there.
That looks like a garage. Mine.
What we're gonna do is from the bottom of this vertical line that we made, at the bottom, we're gonna make a line that comes down like this. And then we'll do the same thing on the left side. There's going to be a tiny bit of space in the middle. And we'll stop at the same height, just like that.
Nice job.
And then we could draw his nose now. And what we're going to do is, it's almost going to look like a heart because it goes to a point. What you could do is, right in the middle of his nose, we're going to come down and make a point. And then we're going to make a curve that connects here.
I love it.
As if we're going to do a heart. We're going to go like this. Like that. And then we'll do the same thing on the left side.
But it makes a circle.
Yeah.
Kind of.
More like a circle than a heart, yeah. Perfect. There we have his nose. And now we could do his eyes. So for his eyes, there are two big ovals. And we're going to do them right here, right under his eyebrow. So if it touches his nose, that's okay. We're just gonna make two big ovals right in this space. Perfect. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the left side. And then the details inside of the eyes is we're gonna do his eyelids. So this little part at the top and the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow or almost like a little crescent moon. It looks like a crescent moon this way. But we did it at the top. You see how skinny it is? You could do it. And then for the bottom, instead of a rainbow, it's gonna look like a smiley face. And this one's gonna be even skinnier. And we're just gonna come up and connect it to the side like that. And guys, we're doing the same thing on the left side as well. So we're going to draw his eyeballs, and in the middle, what we're going to do is we're just going to draw one big circle right in the middle. So look, right in the middle of his eyelids, we're just going to draw a big circle just like this. And it's right in the middle of his eye. And we'll do the same thing on the left side too. And now we could do his mouth. So right under his nose, we're gonna do his mouth. I'm gonna come under his nose. I like drawing little points to help me. And I'm gonna draw a big curve this way to the right, and then a big curve to the left. Just like a regular smiley face.
He looks like a happy tongue sahur.
And then we're gonna make a big smiley face. So look, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna come down big and wide, and then I'm just gonna connect to the other side.
Oh, he looks really, really happy.
And then we can separate his top and his bottom lip. So at this point where the two lines connect, we're just gonna make a skinny one, like a smiley face.
Cheese.
And then connect it to the other side. So there we have his face. There we have it. All we have left are his arms and his legs and his bat. So hopefully you guys are staying tuned. Hopefully you guys are finding fun. Please like and subscribe. So what we're gonna do is right next to his mouth, right next to his mouth, we're gonna do his arm. So look, his mouth's here. I come over. I'm gonna make a curved line that goes to a point just like this. It's a curve. It kind of looks like a hook.
Like a candy cane.
Like a candy cane. And then from here, this is his elbow, right? So we have a point, and then from here, we're just gonna come down the other way. We're gonna copy the same thing to make it look 3D. So look, I'm gonna copy that candy cane line that we made to a point, and then I'm gonna come down and stop at the same height.
He's like, hi, I'm Tung Tung Sahur.
And then from here, we could draw his hand. So for his hand, on the left side of the thing we just drew, we're gonna make a scoop, like a hook. Perfect. And then from here, we're gonna curve this part like a mountain and curve again like a hook, connecting it like that.
Big.
There we have one arm. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do his back first. So what we're gonna do is, towards the bottom of his body, on the left side, we're gonna make a short vertical line like this, and then one right next to it at the same height. There we have the top of the bat, and then the bottom of the bat, right? So we have a bat. You have the stick, and then you have the actual bat that goes wider, right?
No. Yeah, but he's a stick.
Yeah, but the stick of the bat.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
He's
start
holding
off skinny. We're gonna start off skinny, and then we're gonna go big and wide, okay, for the bat.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is, look, here, we started off straight, skinny, and then we're gonna come out like a bat. And then we're gonna make it round at the bottom.
A weeby poopy.
And then, look, we still have it round, but then we go back skinny to the stick of his bat. There we go. And then we could do his arm. So his other arm starts at the same height, guys, right? Everything's gonna be proportional, meaning it's gonna look the same. Look, I started his arm here, so I'm gonna come across and I'm gonna start his arm here. And then we're gonna do his arm. So look, all we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a long candy cane that touches his bat. Just like that.
So it looks like that he's holding it.
And then we're gonna do it 3D, right? So we're gonna copy that same thing. Only thing is we're gonna come down. So look, wherever this one is, we're gonna come across the lower one, make a dot on the body, and then you're gonna copy the same design to the back. And then we're gonna do his hand that's holding it, and all we have to do is, right here on the bat, we're gonna make a curve like the letter C. So there we have his bat, body, now legs. That's it, and then we're done.
Rainbow. That's a rainbow.
It looks like a rainbow. We're gonna do his legs. So look, this is where his body stops. We're gonna come over, and we're gonna make a long vertical line, and we're gonna do the same thing next to it, just leaving space in the middle, stopping at the same height. From here, we're gonna draw the knee. It pops out just a little bit more. So look, I'm gonna make a curve like the letter C, just a small one, and then continue with a vertical line down. And then we're gonna do the back of his knee, and it goes the opposite way. So it goes like a backwards C. So we're gonna make a little curve, just a small one, and then we'll continue with the vertical line down. Perfect. So then we're gonna do his foot, and his foot goes out like a fan almost, or like a broom. So we're gonna make a curve that goes to a hook. And then we're gonna do it the opposite way here. So we're gonna do a curve that goes to another hook like that. And then we're gonna do the toes. So I have space for 3, you might only have 2, but I'm gonna do 1 hook, 2 hook, 3 hook, and connect it to the small toe. There you go. Look, there we have his foot. She did a good job with the foot. I like it.
Feet.
So we're gonna do the same way we did this leg. We're gonna do this leg, okay?
Okay.
So copy the same leg, and then the only thing is that the foot's gonna face this way. So when you get to the foot, just stop, guys. And now we're gonna draw the foot that's gonna point to the left. So what we're gonna do is here on the right side, we're gonna come down and make a curve like the backward C. That's a big curve. Perfect. That's the back of his foot right here, the heel of his foot. It looks like a backward C. And then we could do the top of his foot. So we're gonna make a slide that goes out.
Because that's our snoop.
Perfect. And then we could do his toes. Here I'm gonna do 3. So look, I'm gonna make a hook like this, and then 2 more.
It looks like feet.
And then where the toe stops, we're just gonna make a line that connects to the back of his foot. And there we have it, guys. There we have Tung 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 Sahur. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you say it, I think.
Tung, tung,
So
tung, tung,
what we're gonna do now is color him in. So let's grab whatever markers, whatever color pencils, whatever crayons we have, and let's color him in. And stay tuned for the final look. Here we have Tung Tung Tung.
Tung, 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 Sahur.
Yep, that is who we have. So since he's just a piece of wood, we added definition and dimension, meaning like to make it look more extra and make it pop out more. Under his lip, did a darker color on his eye. We did his bat a darker brown, and then we also did like little lines like wood usually has, just so it pops out more. But here we have Tung Tung Sahur. How was it?
Good.
Good. Was it easy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pops out, pops out.
So hopefully you guys found it fun. Please stay tuned for more cool brain rot characters, because we have a few more coming, like we did Ballerina Cappuccina. So if you guys want to check that out, we have it on the channel. So please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.